Alright, quick video. If you don't feel like looking at the owner's manual and you have a flat tire on your crew cab, GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado, where's the jack located? It's located right here. So fold your seats down. Well, you don't need to fold all of them down like this, but just fold this one down and then you'll see this thing right here. Just pull it off and there's your jack. That's simple. And then you just rotate this counterclockwise. It's held in by friction with the jack itself, and then you should pop it loose once it's off. That's it. And there's your jack right here. And then the components, the rest of the components, you probably figure that one out pretty quick. It's just, I already pulled it out, but it's under the seats here. It's under here. It's in this area. It's held in by straps. That's it. Alright, if you're still here, that means this is your first time changing a spare tire and you want to learn how to do it. And that's good. It's good to learn new skills. And if you already know how and you're still here, that means you really like me a lot. And I appreciate that. So here's your flat right here. First thing I'm gonna do after I stop recording is loosen these just a little bit and then jack the vehicle up. On this vehicle, the spare tire goes there, spare tire carrier, and on other Colorados, your spare tire is gonna be under the vehicle, and you get to it by going in there with a little crank. Okay, I know this recently went in for a tire rotation and oil change. Check this out. Oh, don't wear sandals when you work on cars. I'm doing this to tell you not to do it, but check this out. I weigh like 205 pounds. Look at that, man. Damn, he torqued that in there. Okay, your vehicle may have came with wheel locks, so make sure you know where your wheel lock lug is, and then it fits into the crowbar, just like that. Okay, solid axle truck. About this spot right here is where you want to go. There's a tire. And the jack right there. We'll just put this together so we can crank it. Find the pieces for this. So does this go in here? I'll figure it out right now. Yeah, let me figure this out. Okay, now it's like a little Lego set. So we're gonna just extend this so I could crank it from behind the truck. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, got it jacked up. This is where a high lift would be really nice. So if you're into off-roading at all, get yourself a high lift jack, because this is kind of slow. And then here's your little crank right here, just like that. Okay, I don't know if you could hear me, so I'll put subtitles. The neighbor's doing gardening work, but the dealer did not rotate in the brand new tire in the back, the spare tire, because it still has the brand new line on it. Here's a flat tire. But yeah, dealer didn't rotate in the spare tire. I guess they got lazy. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that in. It's a fairly heavy tire, but you'll be alright. Okay, I did the crisscross pattern. This is the last one. Vehicle is still jacked up. What I like to do is I don't tighten it all the way when it's jacked up, but I make it fairly tight. That's good enough. And then when I drop the vehicle, then I'll tighten it, crisscross pattern again. I'll go ahead and grab the center cap for this. Gotta grab the center cap. You have to look good. Okay, now let's lower it and drop it down completely.